Yes, I'm Roman and welcome to my channel. For today's video, I will teach you some useful Jamaican Patwa expressions that you could use on your trip to Jamaica or when speaking to your Jamaican friends. Let's go. Number one, ya crosses. In Jamaica, this usually means that you're bad luck or you're trouble. John, ya crosses, no my youth. Since you borrowed my phone, it stopped working. However, there's another meaning, and that meaning is equivalent to saying damn or saying the F word, which means that you're swearing.
Yeah man, we're gonna get ready and then me talk to you man. Jano, crosses man.
Number two, my spirit not take you. This is a very interesting expression because what it means is that you don't vibe with someone, you don't click with the person, as we say nowadays. You're getting a bad vibe, a bad energy from this person, and usually it means that the person is bad vibes, bad news, bad company.
Yo pops, what do you think about my new girlfriend? Boy, if you tell you the truth, you know son, my spirit not take her, you know. Something about her. I don't know about something about her, man. My spirit not take her.
Number three, you don't have no brought up see. In Jamaican Patois, brought up speaks about education, but not formal education, but rather the education that you receive at home, which is the socialization you receive from your parents, family, etc. That you should be well behaved, you should be well mannered, you should be polite. And to have the lack of this in Jamaica would mean that you don't have no brought up see.
So wait, dirty nasty dog. You know see what you say? Me I sleep, not even have a good evening. Me say only pit now no man has no brought up see.
Number four, your bad mind. This simply means that you're jealous, envious, and it's never used in a positive sense. I know that sometimes you might see someone run super fast, a Jamaican, and you might say, oh wow, I wish I could run as fast as him. That would be something that's positive because you are admiring someone, but it is not being jealous or envious in a negative sense where you'd wish for the person's demise.
Oh my god, I got 80. Whoa. Yo bro, how much did you get in your exam? 100, you know? Yeah man, 100. Seriously brother? What's the bad mind man? What's the bad mind?
Number five and last, you're careless. What this means in Jamaican Patois is that you are careless. It means that you don't put enough attention towards what you should, or you don't put the degree of attention you should.
Hey dad, could you take me down to the computer shop?
Why? Where you want to go on this far?
Well, I was using the toilet, yeah. And then I dropped my phone and then it fell in the toilet, yeah. The new phone, when we buy it last week? Why is a careless boy?
However, there's another meaning. And that is that you are irresponsible and you do not display the level of maturity regarding your responsibility.
Yo, my youth, can't believe that's so damn careless. The brother left him 2-year-old son at the house by himself and gone and shot the gamble.
Anyways, that is it for our video for today. I hope you enjoyed that. And if you love Jamaican Patois, if you love Jamaican culture, and there's something that you'd like to see, more you'd like to learn, you may watch any one of my videos on my channel, or you may simply leave a comment down below and I could look into it. But one thing for the future, I am thinking about translating Jamaican music, but I'm not sure, translating Jamaican music to English, because I hear a lot of people here in Europe, here in France, listening to Jamaican music, and sometimes I say to myself, I wonder if these people know what they're listening to, what they're saying. So for me personally, I like to understand what I'm singing. I like to understand what I'm saying, if it's a song or something else. And so I suppose I'd like people to be aware of what they're saying. So let me know if you like such a video. And with that said, I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao.